that will stand out. I like the idea too that Ken's trying to find ways to save money, so I'm gonna try and use some of the furniture pieces too. What does this stand for? It's sideways. And it's backwards. That's it. Okay. Ken. With all the last minute changes to get the budget under control and